Guys, a bullish bull here with a brand new video and a brand new channel, but who cares about that? Let's get to the point, shall we? So today we're talking about ARCT, Arcturus Therapeutics. It's a biotech company, but it's also the fourth largest position on ARCG's Genomic Revolution ETF, which is Cathie Wood's ETF. And Arcturus Therapeutics, it focuses on vaccines for rare diseases and treatments, and they mainly do it through mRNA. And actually, some COVID vaccines, like the Pfizer vaccine, does use ARC's technology. They use the STARR mRNA technology. And the fact that they're working on the COVID vaccine, helping out with it, and their product actually works, because the Pfizer vaccine is 95% effective, that's really good news for ARCT. It works, and it's the COVID vaccine. It's huge. But don't get me wrong, they're not just like some random COVID vaccine company. They work with a lot of other pharmaceutical companies to work on drugs. They don't only make drugs themselves. They usually aid in it, although I'm sure they can't make their own drugs by themselves. So let's talk financials of this company, all right? They were founded in 2013, and they are a US-based company with global headquarters everywhere, so they're big. But their revenue has been consistently going up if you look at the quarters per quarter. Now, the last 2 quarters, the revenue has dropped, but that's because of coronavirus. If you look right now, it's going up compared to their pre-coronavirus revenue, which is good news. Now, they are a pretty young company, founded in 2013, so no, they are not profitable. They're actually quite unprofitable. However, the coronavirus vaccine they were involved in, and their product worked, and there's going to be a lot of buying of the vaccine from pharmaceutical companies, the government, and other countries. So I'm expecting next quarter, or the next 2 quarters, to be maybe not profitable, but at least a lot better than what it is right now. And, you know, the main reason I love this company so much is, I mean, long term, it's a great stock, but that's not what I'm playing it for. You can play long term, and it's going to grow a lot long term, but I'm going to show you guys the charts real soon. And if you look at it, oh my God, for swing, day trading, option trading, it is beautiful. Consistent, up 5-10% a day, drops 5-10% a day. If you can just match the market, time the market right with that, which is not hard in my opinion with this stock, pretty predictable. A lot of money be made during the options trading, swing, day trading. It's beautiful. So here's the 5-day chart of ARCT, ARCT on Yahoo Finance, and pretty freaking choppy, right? Up a lot, down a lot, very volatile, which is beautiful for options trading, swing trading, day trading, whatever. Now, it's on a downward trend. You might see that as a bad sign, but not really, because if you look at the 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 1 year chart, it moved up a lot, especially early December, like the last week or two, it moved up a lot. So it only makes sense it's going to go down a little bit, you know? And I mean, you can just see ARCT is just a really very well solid company. Look, in November 9th here, it dropped half of its total stock price from $64 to $32. 2 days later, it went back up to $47, and then less than a month later, December 7th, it reaches all-time high of almost $130. That proves to people that, hey, a drop like that, it's not going to affect ARCT. They'll always go back up. Well, I can't say always, but high chance of it happening. And the fact that shortly after its IPO in 2013, it hit a peak of 188, just out of pure speculation because we didn't know if the product worked or not. But we do know now it works for the COVID vaccines, and it's currently sitting at $99. Then it only makes sense it will go back up to the 180 level because we know it works now. It's not speculative. And don't forget, Cathie Wood is invested in this. Anything Cathie Wood buys, it's usually good. It's usually going to do well. It's the 4th largest position on her ARC Genomic Revolution ETF. It's top 5. She has a lot of faith in this company, as do I. If you want to play a long-term calls or to hold it long-term, it's going to do great. It's also going to be great for volatility, for options trading, swing trading, and day trading. But I will say this one thing for options trading, because it's a biotech company. Biotech companies always have crazy high premiums, especially volatile ones. So you're going to pay a hefty price for the options, but if you time the market, it'll pay you out beautifully. And it's not hard to time the market with this stock, in my opinion. So that's it for this video, and try your luck out with ARCT. See how it works.